Pero parang, oo nga, so parang, kudos to you, parang super vulnerable ka dun sa loob.
Oo, actually. Parang it
Oo.
was the first time na I allowed myself to actually be vulnerable.
Kasi na base experience ko with you as a workshop, like you cry when you act, pero it's very rare
Oo.
na you allow yourself to do that. And then to
Mm-mm.
see how much you cried inside. Parang,
Oo.
Yeah. Tsaka natutuwa ako kay AC kasi from day 1 to last day, nandun siya eh.
Ay,
oo.
hindi ko in-expect. Akala ko
Doon
1 week
dulo,
pa lang out na
Out ka
ako.
na.
Oh.
Grabe yun.
Ay,
Grabe
pero ito,
yun.
curious lang din ako, since nga sabi niyo super tight-knit na kayo, super
Mm.
close. What was, nung time na big four na kayo, na walo na lang kayo, what was the house like? Tahimik na ba? Or parang,
So,
naano
8
niyo
na
parang,
lang sila.
oo, na parang nasisepang sa ba kayo? Or parang, ano
Or
nangyayari?
mas
How
may
was it?
tension ba na nabubuo?
Walang tension. May times na tahimik, pero mas
Mas
together kami. Oo, mas
Mm.
together
Okay.
kami. Mas magkakasama. And medyo nafo-FOMO na kami sa nangyayari sa labas. Kasi,
Kasi
sabi na,
majority sa kanila nasa
oo,
labas
nasa
na eh.
labas na. Ano na kayang ginagawa nila? Ganun, ganun.
Gets.
Oo. Pero so far, lagi kami magkasama. Or if not, yung mga, nagkaroon na kasi ng groups. So, ayun dun kami. Sa group, mas naging close kami. Like, have you heard of yung Team Roar? Nakita ko lang din sa online yung Roar, ganun.
Team RAR.
Ra-
Oo nga. Yung RAWR.
Oh, yeah, yun. Oo. So, kami talaga yung naging tight na sobra. Si Ralph, ako, Will, and River.
So, what advice can you give to the incoming new housemates?
Siguro, the advice I can give is something na, yung mga mistakes ko is stay present and just, focus on what's happening inside. Don't dwell on things you can't control. And isipin mo lang talaga kung ano nangyayari. Like, if you see this, ito yung nangyayari ngayon, focus ka dyan. Wag mo dagdagan yung problema mo. Wag ka gumawa ng problema. Kasi, of course, yung mind natin, diba, sometimes, we think, and then, mas madagdagan, ganun. Like, it moves a lot. So,
It snowballs.
yeah. So, importante talaga to stay present. Yun yung something that I learned throughout sa end part, and dun na ako naging masaya. Kasi nung first few weeks, I wasn't happy. Like, parang dami kong iniisip, lagi ako umiiyak, feel ko na-apektuhan na yung other housemates because iyak ako ng iyak. And I wasn't enjoying yung time ko dun. Then, I realized na I should stay present, be more focused on everything. Then, ayun, dun ako naging masaya.